Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Link, and today I am showing you my 5 favorite, my go-to exercises for toned legs. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a video from me. If you have a goal to tone, then basically what you're trying to do is decrease your body fat to allow the muscle definition to show through. So I wanted to share with you what toning is and what toning is not. Toning is not reshaping your muscles. You cannot change the shape of your muscles. You can only change the size. Toning is not tightening your muscles. Your muscles cannot go from soft to hard. Toning is not high rep, low weight exercises, okay? You can do 3 sets of 15 to 20 bicep curls all day long, but it's only gonna get you so far. I promise when you pick up a heavier weight, you are not going to get bulky, okay? You will not get bulky if you pick up a heavier weight. What you should be doing is lifting the heaviest weight you possibly can for the set amount of reps with proper form. Proper form is so unbelievably important if you want to be successful. If you want to tone, you need to start picking up a little bit heavier weights, challenging yourself, progressively overloading, and moving forward that way. And finally, toning is not getting rid of the jiggle, okay? Please just stop referring to your body as jiggly, okay? You're not jiggly. Oh, I hate that word. So then what is toning? Toning is shedding, like I said, shedding that layer of fat that's covering the muscles. Toning is developing those muscles so when you do shed that layer of fat, they're gonna be able to show through, they're gonna be very defined looking. That's what we want. And toning is safely eating in a caloric deficit. That way you can lose the fat and allow that muscle to show through. Overall, if you want to achieve that toned look, strength training is very important, okay? We have to incorporate a strength training regimen. When you have that strength training program, you can add on things like cardio and the caloric deficit and hitting a water goal and hitting a step goal and adding in all of those other things. But your foundation needs to be your strength training program, because if you want that toned look, then you want to be able to show defined muscles after shedding that layer of fat, like I mentioned earlier. So the only way to build those muscles is through a strength training program. So get yourself on a strength training program that's custom for you and your goals and go from there. You can absolutely achieve that toned look. If you're looking for one-on-one coaching or support, you can click the link down in the description box to apply for my one-on-one coaching, or you can get yourself on the Washed Up to Winning wait list. Woo! I'm so excited for round 3. If you have any questions at all, feel free to comment them below or slide into my DMs on Instagram. Does anybody even say slide into my DMs anymore? But you can hit me up in the DMs, you can comment below with any questions that you have, and I'd be happy to help.